bachas, a very lovely morning to all of you. See, ma'am is feeling really very cold, and even you all must be feeling cold, right? Why we all are feeling cold? Yes, because it is winter season, and winter season comes after rainy season. So today we shall learn more about winter season, but first let us go through one Nukkad Natak that your ma'ams have prepared for you. So are you all ready, children?
गर्मी गई बारिश आई, खेत खलियान खुशियों से लहराई। पीछे पीछे देखो ये कौन है आई? अरे हाँ, ठंडी आई, साथ में रंग बिरंगे गर्म कपड़े लाई। सुनो सुनो ठंडी आई, सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो सुनो, ठंडी आई, सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो सुनो, ठंडी आई। ठंडी आई, दादी नानी सब करने लगे हैं कढ़ाई बुनाई।
रंग बिरंगी ऊनी कपड़ों की होगी सिलाई।
हाँ, होगी सिलाई, होगी सिलाई। सुनो सुनो ठंडी आई, सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो सुनो, ठंडी आई, सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो सुनो, ठंडी आई। ठंडी आई, मुन्ना बोले मम्मी मुझे स्कूल जाना नहीं, थोड़ा और सोने दो ओढ़ के रजाई। हाँ, ओढ़ के रजाई, ओढ़ के रजाई। ठंडी आई, ठंडी आई, ठंडी आई, ठंडी आई। सुनो सुनो ठंडी आई, सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो सुनो, ठंडी आई, सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो सुनो, ठंडी आई। ठंडी आई,
दादा दादी नाना नानी सब सर्दी से डरते,
धूप सेकते आग तपते, फिर भी रोज ठिठुरते।
फिर भी रोज ठिठुरते, फिर भी रोज ठिठुरते। ठंडी आई, ठंडी आई, ठंडी आई, ठंडी आई। सुनो सुनो ठंडी आई, सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो सुनो, ठंडी आई, सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो सुनो, ठंडी आई। ठंडी आई, ठंडी आई। दादी बोले थोड़ा खजूर खा लो और थोड़ी सेहत बना लो। हाँ, भाई सेहत बना लो, सेहत बना लो। ठंडी आई, ठंडी आई, ठंडी आई, ठंडी आई। सुनो सुनो ठंडी आई, सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो सुनो, ठंडी आई, सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो सुनो, ठंडी आई। ठंडी आई,
ठंडी आई, ठंडी आई, ठंडी आई, ठंडी आई। लेकिन सब छोटे बच्चे कभी नहीं घबराते,
मस्ती करते हैं सर्दी में, दिन भर मौज मनाते। हाँ, मौज मनाते, मौज मनाते। ठंडी आई, ठंडी आई, ठंडी आई, ठंडी आई। सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो सुनो, सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो सुनो, ठंडी आई, ठंडी आई, ठंडी आई, ठंडी आई। हैप्पी न्यू ईयर।
Kids, I know you all must have enjoyed this Nukkad Natak, and now we shall learn more about winter season in details. Let's start.
Children, now which season is going on? Yes, winter season. તમને બધાને ઠંડી લાગે ને? હને તો મમ્મા તમને શું પહેરાવે? યસ આ સ્વેટર પહેરાવે ને સી સ્વેટર જેકેટ અને માથા ઉપર શું પહેરે ધી સ્કાર્ફ તમારી દાદી બી એવો સ્કાર્ફ પહેરે ને યસ અને હેન્ડ્સમાં બહુ ઠંડી લાગે તો શું પહેરાય યસ વોટ આર ધીસ હેન્ડ ગ્લોવ્સ આને શું કહેવાય હેન્ડ ગ્લોવ્સ અને નાનું નાનું બબ્બુ હોય એને બી આવું મમ્મી ફાઇન ફાઇન પહેરાવે ને અને પગમાં શું પહેરાય યસ વુલન સોક્સ સી ધીસ આર વુલન સોક્સ અને તમારી દાદી કે મમ્મા શું પહેરે આ શોલ બી ઓઢે ને બહાર જાય ત્યારે અને માથામાં ઠંડી લાગે તો શું પહેરવાનું ધી સ્કાર્ફ કલરફુલ વુલન કેપ્સ અને આને શું કહેવાય ખબર મંકી કેપ વોટ ઇઝ ધીસ મંકી કેપ તમારા દાદા પહેરે છે યસ અને તમે બાઇક પર બહાર જાઓ ત્યારે બી કાનમાં ઠંડી લાગે તો આવી રીતે આ બી પહેરે ને યસ ઇયર્સ પ્રોટેક્શન માટે અને રાતના ઠંડી લાગે ત્યારે તમે શું ઓઢીને સૂઈ જાઓ યસ આ બ્લેન્કેટ તમારી પાસે છે ને હું કાર્ટૂન વાળું બ્લેન્કેટ તમને ગમે બ્લેન્કેટ ઓકે અને તમારી સ્કિન કેવી થઈ જાય સ્કિન ડ્રાય થઈ જાય તો મમ્મા તમને શું લગાવી આપે યસ કોલ્ડ ક્રીમ લગાવી આપે ધીસ ઇઝ ઓલ્સો લોશન યસ our skin becomes dry એટલે we are using all these creams and moisturizers okay and what are these yes woolen clothes we wear woolen clothes to protect ourselves from the winter season these woolen clothes keeps our body warm we wear woolen clothes in winter season
Children, what do we like to have in winter season? See, here we are having so many things. Wow, yummy. Hannah, what is this? Do your mummy have in the morning? Asucha, green tea. Yes, it is very healthy. Then, ये क्या है? अरे वाह, hot soup. Yes, we like to have hot soup in winter season, ना? Yes, see. फिर ये क्या है? Yes, hot milk. हम सबको ये hot milk पीना चाहिए and we can add some haldi also है ना, it is very healthy. Then here we have tea and coffee. Many of your parents, grandparents have tea and coffee है ना, सुबह सुबह पीते हैं tea and coffee. Then what is this? Sunday special क्या है ये? Yes, ubadiyu. It is really very yummy and we like to have in winter season है ना, especially तीखा तीखा मजा आता है ना. Then what is this? मेरे मुंह में तो पानी आ गया. क्या है ये? चिक्की है ना, पीनट चिक्की. Then we have delicious गाजर का हलवा. Oh wow! Children, in winter season we get many fresh vegetables and carrot. We love to have हलवा है ना. अब ये क्या है? अड़दियू दादी बनाती है ना आपकी. Yes, that is अड़दियू and specially we have in winter season. Then comes what is this? गोड़ पापड़ी. કોને ભાવે ગોળ પાપડી? મને તો બહુ જ ભાવે છે. Then we have कड़वा कड़वा ये क्या है? मेथी के लड्डू. हाँ, मम्मी खिलाती है सुबह स्कूल आने से पहले है, सबको खिलाते हैं ना. And we need to have this. फिर आ रहा है सबका फेवरेट. What is this? खजूर है ना, खजूर. Then children we can have some dry fruits also like almond, cashew nuts. ये क्या है? च्यवनप्राश. ये हमारे बॉडी को इम्यूनिटी देता है और हमें हर रोज सुबह 1 चम्मच खाना चाहिए. और तो और ठंडी में हमारे बोन्स को ये स्ट्रॉन्ग भी करता है. चिल्ड्रन, ये सारी चीजें ठंडी में यानी विंटर सीजन में हमारे बॉडी को वार्म रखता है एज वेल एज हमारी इम्यूनिटी पावर बढ़ाता है. एंड वी नीड टू हैव ऑल दिस थिंग्स. ओके किड्स?
Now it's time to learn what do we use and what do we like to have during winter season. Winter season. And winter season में हमें क्या लगती है? ठंड लगती है. So on a cold day we use, हम क्या यूज करते हैं? मफलर, वुलन कैप, स्वेटर, bonfire. Now what do we like to have during winter season? हमें winter season में क्या खाना और क्या पीना अच्छा लगता है? Let's see. Hot soup यानी गर्मा गर्म सूप. Hot milk, hot tea or hot coffee. And hot yummy food. Right, children? Now let us revise once again. Winter season, and you will be asked questions for your orals. So let's begin. A cold day. What do we use during winter season? We use muffler, woolen cap, sweater, bonfire. Got it, children? Now, what do we like to have during winter season? We like to have hot soup, hot milk, hot tea or hot coffee and hot food. Okay, children?
Now, in your EVS book, open page number 6767, and on this page we have weather. Weather is different at different times. Weather मतलब वातावरण. वातावरण बदलता रहता है. A rainy day. It rains on a rainy day. We use umbrellas and raincoats. Children, we use umbrellas and raincoats in rainy season to save ourselves from getting wet in rain. Yes? A windy day. We should stay inside our houses on a windy day. Windy day मतलब जिस दिन पवन बहुत होता है उसे windy day कहते हैं. उस दिन हमें घर से बाहर नहीं निकलना चाहिए. Now, turn your page. Page number 6868. A cold day. We wear woolen clothes on a cold day. Cold day मतलब in winter season we feel cold. बहुत ठंडी होती है ना, तब हम woolen clothes पहनते हैं. A hot day. It is very hot on a hot day. We like cold things on a hot day. Hot day कब होता है? In summer season. Yes. Now let us do playway exercises. Question number 1. Draw a picture of a rainy day. Children, you have learnt many pictures for rainy season. You can draw any picture that you like in this box. Next question. Tick the things you like to have on a hot day. Do you like to have umbrella on a hot day? No. Do you like to have a jacket? No. You can't even eat these things. Then what do you like to have? An ice cream? Yes, we like to have an ice cream. So we will tick the ice cream. Next question. Tick the things you use on a cold day. Do you use a fan in winter season on a cold day? No. Do you like to have cold drinks? No. Then what do? You wear a jacket. So we will tick the jacket. Children, you should complete this exercise on your own.
Now it's drawing time. Now let's learn how to draw pictures in your book. First we will write heading winter season. Then next line a cold day. Then we use. So our first picture is sweater. For that make one oval shape. Two standing line both sides. Then join with slipping line. Then inside small standing line. Then slipping line, curve. Here also slipping line, curve and slanting line. Slanting line, leave some space. Draw one slanting line and join with slanting line. Then same way you will draw here also. It is called sleeves. And both sleeves should be same size. Okay. Then for body, standing line both side and joined with slipping line. And inside one more slipping line. And in this rectangle, draw small standing line like this. And for pocket, draw one square here. Same way, draw one more square here. And draw zigzag line for design like this. Okay kids, now this is called sweater. Then we will draw monkey cap. For that opposite C curve, down side, small standing line. Upside again small standing line, curve and come down with standing line. And this both standing line joined with slipping line. Now here both side draw small standing line and join with slipping line. Okay kids. And here draw some small standing line, and upside curve, curve and curve. Draw 3 curves, and inside this gap draw standing line like this. Okay kids? This is called monkey cap. Then our next picture is muffler, and for that one curve line like this, leave some space, one more curve line like this and join with slanting line, slanting line. Inside one more slanting line like this. Okay kids, both side, and small standing line both side. And inside this muffler draw one flower, nice flower. Children, you can draw any design whatever you like. Okay. Next we will draw bonfire, and for that 2 slanting line and one oval shape like this and joint with slipping line. Same way 2 more slanting line, oval shape and joint with slipping line. Same way here. Okay kids. Now from here curve line, go up with curve line, come down with curve line and join. And this is called bonfire. Now turn your page and take a new page, and we will write we like to have. What do we like to have kids? Yes, hot soup. And for that draw one oval shape, 2 standing line both side, curve, 2 slanting line and joint with slipping line. Inside draw one nice flower. So go up with slanting line, leave some space, again go up with slanting line, join and make some curve line for steam. This is called hot soup. Now we will draw hot tea or milk. For that make one oval shape again, 2 standing line, joint with slipping line. Now here curve, another curve, draw here zigzag line for design and make some curve line for steam. Then we will draw hot food. For that slipping line, slanting line, again joint with slipping line. Here 2 slanting line, joint with slipping line. And from here curve line, go up with curve, come down with curve and join. Put some dots for food and make curve line for steam.
So kids, in this way you have to do drawing practice in your book. Okay kids, take care. Bye.